Severe weather events caused by climate change leads to frequent power cuts, and solar power storage can be a lifesaver in such situations. Traditional solar systems employed mostly lead-acid batteries, but in recent years lithium iron phosphate technology, or LFP in short, has gained prominence due to its better performance and increased efficiency. Utilising this advanced LFP technology, KSHV5-20 series manufactured by Ktech Energy is an expandable modular power storage device that is available in various power capacities ranging from 5.12 to 20.48 kilowatt hours. Use of LFP technology offers multiple benefits, including longer lifespan, no maintenance, increased safety, reduced toxicity, low weight, improved discharge, and charge efficiency. A flexible design enables the installers to stack the individual battery units on top of one another to quickly expand the power capacity as required, without system rearrangements or additional accessories. The plug and play feature with no complex wiring and connections ensure easy and quick installation, saving time and costs. Faster charging and discharging capabilities allow it to support high voltage demands of up to 750 volts, making it ideal for residential and commercial applications with higher power needs. An inbuilt battery management system monitors the various charging and discharging parameters, including the voltage, current, and temperature, ensuring reliable operation and enhanced safety of the device. The system's casing is IP54 rated, which offers a high degree of protection from dust and water ingress. We guarantee a cycle life of over 10,000 cycles at 80% depth of discharge, with a product service life of over 10 years by our estimate. Established in 2009, Ktech Energy is a high-tech enterprise that manufactures various solar products such as panels and lithium-based power storage systems. Until now, we have shipped over 3 gigawatts of high-quality solar products to our customers in different countries.